Hi guys, and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I will be continue working on my Mercedes GLB 250, and I don't have much to do with this car today because the car is almost finished. It passed a lot of time, almost 3 months, because the guy who is responsible for fixing my car is gone for at least 3 months. And the car sits in the body shop, and they didn't do nothing. So I am a little bit angry right now, and after driving there for 2 weeks, finally they started doing something with this car. And today I will be going to the Mercedes dealership, and I have to pick up a few things that I ordered. I ordered that kind of protect. I will show you. This is the bottom, some kind of shield, to protect the carrossery. Here is one, here is the second one. They are broken because usually that thing are destroyed by the loader. I will fold the seats right now because those elements are very big. Hope I will have space here for those plastic covers, but you see, Volvo is a long car, so it should be no problem. So now I will be driving to my nearest Mercedes dealership, and I will pick up those parts, and I will drive to the body shop, and I will give them the parts. So they need 2 days at least to finish the car. I am very angry about the whole situation because I lost 3 months with this car, but it is what it is. I have to deal with it, and I have to live with it. So see you from the road. Time to drive, Okay, this is not a sponsored video. Fuel for me is inside, and now I have to refuel the car, so meet me in the gas station. Woohoo! I am on another station. There was no fuel there. I am on Shell now. So I am on the speedway road, not highway, but road that I can drive a little bit faster. The weather is not so bad. I like when raining. So, but the human is a little bit sleepy when it starts raining, but the Red Bull was very delicious, and I can now drive 200 kilometers 100 miles further. So we will meet in the dealership, and I will show you the new parts. Okay guys, I am, it's hard to see. Okay guys, I am near the dealership, but this is the entrance where the parts are and the trucks. So I will drive the car near the entrance because I have a lot of parts to carry. I hope there will be space. I am the customer. The first part is in. Woohoo! There will be a lot of that. A lot of parts. I have to check it that everything is here. So this is around $800. Oh guys, I got everything. Here is the bill in Polish zloty, so I think it is not so bad for the new parts. But overall it is so bad because I wanna go to vacation. I don't want to spend money for the Mercedes anymore. I wanna drive it. Okay, so see you in the body shop. I will leave the parts there. I cannot record it, of course, and I will show you how the car looks like. I will do a sneaky peeky, you know, recording there. So see you guys in action. Mercedes. I am driving to the body shop and I need to give them those plastic covers, plastic trims. I don't know how do you call them in English. I had to refresh them and now they are ready, and I will give them and they can put the bumper together. Basically the car is screwed together, so those parts that I give them, they assemble it. So I hope tomorrow I will receive the car. I hope tomorrow I will take the car to my home. So guys, the time has finally come. After almost 4 months I am driving for the Mercedes. Whew, so time to go for the beast. I am sending this message from the future. So guys, thank you for watching to the end. I hope you like this movie. It was more vlog style episode, but on the next episode I want to show you how the car looks like, because I have still a lot of problems with this car. I want to tell you that most of the Christmas tree lights on the dashboard is gone, but I have problems with charging, and the alternator won't charge the battery. Maybe some of you know the issue and what to do with this, because I am starting to give up. So as I mentioned before, thank you for watching, and if you can, please leave the thumbs up, subscribe, of course, I will be very happy, and see you all to the next time.